The dreams and the personality and future of Joseph was forgotten. Nothing happened in the life of Joseph again for 25 years. You can see there that his eldest brother left and began to have life in the family. They've forgotten about Joseph's dream. What he will become is no more relevant. What the Lord has said concerning him was no more important. His dreams have been forgotten. His father has probably forgotten and said, look, remember that boy dreamt on that day. That day, that dream is forgotten now. Isn't it, sir? That dream is forgotten now. They forgot about him for 25 years. You may want to ask me, Pastor, what was happening for that 25 years? You read it there. Judah married, had the first son, the second son, the third son. Then he decided to get a woman for his first son here. So he married for him. A lot of things was happening in that family. They were giving their children to marriage. They were marrying for their sons. They were having sons and grandchildren. They were dying and they were burying. There were burials happening in the family. A lot of things transpired in the family. There were promotion, there were elevation, there were issues of family entanglement. There were issues that cannot be described. But those issues eclipse the story of Joseph. Hallelujah. I don't know whether you have a situation in your life. There are people think that your dreams has been forgotten. I don't know whether you have a situation in your life that people think you will not be relevant. I don't know whether you experience a situation whereby people are forgotten about the dream that you dreamt. And that you told your family, your mother, your father, your brothers and sisters, that said, God said to me that one day I will be in England. One day I will be pastoring a church. One day it has been revealed that one day I will be called the governor of my state. But suddenly, for things that you cannot explain, even you yourself, the dreamer, has forgotten. Hallelujah. Even your parents that you told about the dream that you had have forgotten about you. Even that plan that you really plan that thing, you put pen to paper, you've forgotten. You've forgotten. You forgot. So Joseph's dream was forgotten. Joseph's life was forgotten. Is that look, we just look, that boy has been killed and my friend move on with my life. Even the brother that had a second thought about killing him, that changed their mind for maybe the intervention of Reuben and said, we will not kill him, but let us sell him into slavery to the merchant. They sold him. They will have assumed even our brother that was sold, he must have died. Can you imagine? 25 years. Judah is married. We've even given a wife to her. Even Ona has married. Even Tamar is dead. So what is all this? Joseph is gone.